Hello, guys. It's been a long while, and I'm so sorry about that. Today's video is basically about an app that can help you achieve more. It's an app that can help you be free from anxiety, be free from putting things that are not supposed to fill your head. As in, we already know what the country is right now, the situation of the country right now. So we don't need too much on our head again. So that's why I came up with this app to show you on how it can help you to be more productive. It can help you to achieve more. It can save you a whole lot of money, and it can also help you to avoid missing some important appointments, especially if you're a business person and you have customers, or you have an appointment with someone and you don't want to forget. And if you're always the type that you're always busy here and there, every hour, every minute you need to be present for a particular meeting. It could be virtual, it could be physical, or you need to go out to do one thing or the other, or you want to attend a conference, or you want to attend a training, or you want to apply for a course. This thing can also help you. Maybe you're a student, you want to apply for a virtual meeting online with a particular school, that they can actually give you free school waiver because you attended. So it can help you save money. This app can help you save, be free from stress, be free from anxiety. So I think, let me not enjoy this alone. Let me come and share with my subscribers. So that is why I'm here today, to bring to you this app that has helped me. And anything that has helped me, I always love to share. So what is the name of this app? The name of this app is TickTick. And if you don't have it on your phone, you can just basically go to your Play Store. When you go to your Play Store, you type TickTick. So you can see I already have it. So installed. So it's open. Now, once this is open, although it has some free features and it has some paid features, I am currently using the free features, and I must tell you that I'm still loving it and I'm enjoying it. So nothing stops you from using it free. Okay, you can use it free forever. If you want to go for the paid features, you can also go for it, but I bet you are cool with the free features as well. So first thing first, before you can do this, maybe you have a particular day. It could be Thursday, maybe Friday or Saturday or Sunday. This is September, this is October. So currently now we are in September. Today is 24. Today is Tuesday. So you come here. So this plus sign is where you need to tap if you want to add anything. If you have a meeting, you have anything that you want to do, you just tap there. So now I'll be tapping the plus sign. And what will you like? So I want to go to the gym. So you can just type anything that you want to add to it. If it's high priority, you type it. If it's not important, you put no priority. Okay, so it will help you to know what is more important. So when you type that, then you can go back and confirm if it has appeared on the app. So this is it. I want to go to the gym. You can see it's there. I've circled it out. So anything that you have lined up will be there too. Okay, so it will always help you to know what more to focus on. Then another thing I want to talk about is the fact that you need to put in some settings for the notification. Okay, you need to ring out. For you to be reminded, it has to ring out, and you need to choose the sound that you want and how often you want to be reminded. So you go to the settings and tap on sounds and notification. Okay, let me show you where I tap on. Okay, that's where I tapped, and you go to sounds and notification. Moreover, the more you use the app, the more it gets enlightened on it. Okay, so just play around the app. It's very easy to navigate. So tap on the sounds of notification, and it will take you to a place where you get to see the ringtone. So it choose the one you want and you click OK. And if you want daily notification, you can highlight that and let it turn green. Okay, if you don't want, you can tap it off, but I want mine to be on, so I'm leaving that. And in case you have overdue tasks, maybe it was to be yesterday and you haven't done it, to keep reminding you. So if you want it to keep reminding you, tap the button as well. And if you want also all day tasks to be reminded, you also tap it as well. The weekly activation date is maybe you want it Monday to Saturday to keep reminding you. And if you don't want that, you can actually tap on each of the days there. So for instance, if you don't want it to be on Saturday, you tap on it. If you want on Friday, you can tap on that as well, or Thursday. So depending on you, so just tweak, play around with it and utilize it to your own satisfaction. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe so that others can also benefit from this video. Share it to whom you think they are maybe wasting time, and this app will really help them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day and bye.